Radharani, the Nibrita Dasis, her most confidential, Nibrita Dasis, the kinkaris of Radha, the Manjaris, are such confidential, intimate, loving, heart-to-heart, bosom buddy, sucky friends. They are offering, everlastingly offering, singing about and offering respects to that Radharani, who is none other than Vrindavan. She is the Nikunjeshri of Vrindavan. She's the Ishri of the Vrindavan's Navanikunjas. Those fresh forest groves, those newly appointed and decorated forest groves and play groves of Vrindavan, where Radharani experiences mudha, complete satisfaction and joy therein. The Manjaris are offering respects to their Radharani, who is so powerful. She's the Ishwari. Ishwari means empress. Empress means queen. Queen means powerful.